Personalized investment intelligence from AgrudTech's, a Singapore and India-based fintech company. Banks and brokers offer general information to their wealth management clients. They are non-specific and are not personalized. The bank possibly does not even have a return on investment on the cost incurred here, because they cannot track the client reaction to the content produced. The sender is probably not even aware about the appropriateness of the ideas going out to the client. No longer should the bank send structured notes on foreign exchange to a 70-year-old widower. Welcome to AgrudTech's personalized investment intelligence platform. We curate and aggregate structured, unstructured and streaming data from multiple sources. We then create thousands of derived data sets from the raw data. This includes fundamental ratios, technical analysis, price analytics and several others. Using the two datasets, we then apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to create market insights and content, all of which are tagged smartly to a master ID. Banks are using very simplistic and traditional ways to look at client risk. AgrudTech's personalization engine moves away from the traditional profiling. It uses the patent-pending dynamic client risk profile to personalize client communication. We start off with the usual information that the bank collects. Banks currently use different level of information based on their sophistication. We then collect additional information from other sources including social media to aid the dynamic client risk profile. We move from the bank's traditional way of looking at client risk profiles to market factor-based tagging. The dynamic risk profile uses a combination of the client's target risk level combined with the education, transaction history, current portfolio, areas of interest, community, employment history to decide the market factor tags and country tags. These are some of the examples of market factors that are used in the model. As an example, for someone with the employment history shown here, we can associate the person with certain specific industries and sub-industries. We combine that information with the transaction history market factors. We now arrive at the dynamic client risk profile, which is linked to a risk number, but also has several tags which are linked to our internal master IDs. We then keep looking at our content database to see appropriate content. The communication system can pull and push content to the client through the bank system like client portal, WhatsApp, email, etc. Since the market factors can be weighted based on the dynamic risk profile, priorities can be automatically set. A revolutionary way to personalize investment intelligence for the mass affluent.